how to display the time in web page like this. Here you can see the time is displayed in the web page. This is the live time. Now we are going to see how to build the digital calc in the web page. First of all, here in HTML file, I created the basic HTML section. In head section, I put the title digital calc. You can see here the title digital calc will be displayed on the top of the web page. After pasting the title, I paste the link tag to link the external CSS file. The external CSS file name is here calc.css that I passed in the HIF. After pasting the link tag, I open the body tag. In body tag, I paste the h1 element. In h1 element, I take the content 00 colon 00 colon 00. Here what happened means this is the format of time that we have to show. That's why I take this format. You can see here. After taking the h1 content, I take the clip tag to link the external JavaScript file. In clip tag, I take SRC attribute. With the help of SRC attribute, I link the external JavaScript file. Now let us see the CSS file. Here the CSS file is used to apply the properties to the web page. That is what are the properties that we apply to the web page here. First of all, I take body. After opening the body selector, then I paste the background color view. Here you can see the web page color. It turns into blue color. The web page color it turns into blue color after pasting the background color view. Then I paste the height width property here. Height I take 80 viewport height and width colon 80 viewport width. Here what happens means what is V height can read only means it adjusts according to the browser window size. That means if we take the browser window size is this, it will adjust according to the browser window size. If we expand the browser window size, then the content height and width also adjust according to the browser window size. After passing the body properties, here I write the properties for the ID equal to time. The ID time belongs to h1 element. Here note point is there. When we declare the ID name in CSS file, we indicate with the hash symbol. As I told earlier in the combinators video, after passing the ID element, we are write the properties to the ID element. Here, the orange color will be applied to the h1 element. Why? Because the ID belongs to h1 element. Here, the orange color is applied to the h1 element. Then I take font size medium. Then I align the content at the center of the web page. Now let us see a JavaScript file. Here you can see I create the function with the name setTime. After creating the function, I declare these four variables like here what are these four variables means. The first variable is now. You can take any name for the variable. I take the name now for the first variable. Before placing the variable, you have to paste the let keyword or const keyword. If the value is changeable, then we paste let keyword, or if the value is fixed, then we paste const keyword. After placing the now variable, for now variable, here I take the date constructor. What it means by constructor in JavaScript means the constructor is either to create or initialize an object. If we want to create or initialize an object in JavaScript, then we use constructor. Basically, what it means by object means the basic runtime entity is called object. Here after creating the constructor, here in the second line I take that hour. In our variable I take the string constructor. Here why I take the string constructor means the time will be displayed in the format of string. That means here you can see the time will be displayed in the format of string. That means numbers with the combination of symbol. After creating the string constructor, here I take the now variable. The now after taking the now variable, I is separated with the dot operator. After separating the dot operator, I take get hours method. What is the use of get hours method here means the get hours method is used to extract the time, extract the hours from the particular day using the local time. That means when we use get hours method, it is used to extract hours that is from the present time. Similarly, here the get minutes method is used to extract the minutes from the particular time. That means if we want to get the minutes from the time, then we use get minutes method. Similarly, here we can see get seconds method. It is used to extract the seconds from the time. Here after placing the get hours and get minutes and get second methods, I separated it with dot symbol. After placing the dot symbol, here what in paired dot means. When we use paired dot, it gives a particular format to the time. That means the hours content and minutes content and seconds content are all displayed in the same format. If we don't press the paired dot element, then from 0 to 9 digits, here you can see from 0 to 9 digits, it comes at the single digit. After 0 to 9 digits, it turns into double digit. If you want to apply the same format for the 0 to 9 digits, here simply I paste dot paired dot. Here I don't paste the paired dot in seconds. That's why from 0 to 9 it will be displayed in single format, that is second in seconds. If I paste paired dot here, in paired dot I give 2. Here what 2 means, when we paste 2, the 2 digits will be displayed from 0 to 9. Like the similar format from 10 to 59. If we want to apply the same format for the digits 0 to 9, then we use paired dot element. Here you can see I paste 2. Here 2 is used to apply the 2 digits format for the 0 to 9. After pasting the 2, here I give the digit what is to be applied to the seconds to the in front of the digit 0 will be applied to the in front of the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, you can see for the 5, 6, 7, the gear will be applied in front of the digits. This is the use of paired dot element. If we don't want to show the double digits for the second up to 9 numbers, then we remove paired dot from the seconds. After creating the hours, minutes and second variables, here I take let here date is the variable. The date variable is either to show the hours, minutes, second in the combined format like this. Here in date variable, I declare the hour. Then I separate with the plus symbol here. In JavaScript, if you want to separate any element, then you use plus symbol. After separating the hour, then I paste colon. After minutes, then after colon, then after seconds. Here you can see for hours it comes, then the colon is pasted, then minutes it comes, Then after colon is pasted, then seconds is come. Like this, it will be applied. This is declared in the data variable. After declaring the data variable, here I take document.getElement by ID. That means the time ID belongs to here weak element. The time ID belongs to H1 element. Here I paste the time ID. That is the ID belongs to H1 element. After pasting the time ID, I take inner text property to display the data. After creating the function, I call the function to execute. After calling the function, here I set the interval time. That is, here I set 1000. Why the 1000 comes means for 1 second, how many milliseconds is there? For 1 second, that is in 1 second, there is 1000 milliseconds. That means for every 1000 milliseconds, the 1 second will be updated like this. Here you can see for every 1000 milliseconds, the 1 second will be updated like this. This is the 24-hour stack format. Now let us see how to apply the meridian format, that is AM PM format in Webpage. Simply here take if condition. After taking if condition, here take the condition hour greater than 12. After taking the condition hour greater than 12, open the if condition. In if condition paste meridian. Meridian equal to PM. Because the AM is automatic. After the one is come again. For one we have to display we have to change the meridian as PM. That's why I taken PM. Here I simply rest the hours. After basing the if condition, here add the meridian in data. After separating with per symbol, here write meridian. Now let us see the output. Here you can see the PM is displayed because now you can see the time. What is the time now here? 5:26 PM. That is evening. That's why here PM is displayed. If it is morning, then it displays the AM. Hope you understand my video. If you understand my video, then give a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.